In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new folder in Outlook. Creating folders in Outlook can help you manage your emails much more efficiently, keeping everything organized and in its right place. Whether you need separate sections for work, personal correspondence, or any other category, folders are a fantastic way to streamline your inbox. To start, make sure your Outlook application is open and you're signed in. Take a moment to glance at the left-hand side of your screen where your folder pane is. You'll see your name prominently displayed there. This will be your starting point for creating a new folder. Now, go ahead and right-click on your name. This action will bring up a context menu with a variety of options. Don't be intimidated, these options just allow you to manage your mailbox more flexibly. In the list that appears, you'll want to find the option labeled Create New Folder. Give it a click. At this point, you'll notice a new, unnamed folder appearing in the list. Here's your opportunity to add a personal touch. Type in a name that will signify what type of contents you'd like this folder to house. Perhaps something straightforward and clear such as project updates or invoices. Now, with your newly named folder in place, you have a dedicated space for filing related emails. This will make finding important emails easier down the line. To put this into practice, try dragging an email from your inbox to this new folder just as a test. You should see it move seamlessly, proof that your new folder is functioning perfectly. A few quick tips can really enhance your experience. If you find the need for more folders as time goes on, don't hesitate to repeat these steps. You can create subfolders within existing ones if your organizational scheme evolves. Just right-click on any folder where you'd like a subfolder and choose Create New Subfolder. It's as simple as that. Additionally, consider color coding or applying categories to your folders to make navigation even smoother. Remember that maintaining a tidy inbox is an ongoing process, so periodically review your folders and declutter them as necessary. Regular house cleaning ensures you only save what's important and you avoid overwhelming storage limits. You'll find that by dedicating just a few moments to organize your email, you enhance productivity and clarity in your daily workflows. That's everything you need to know about setting up new folders in Outlook. Thank you for tuning in today. We hope this guide has empowered you to take control of your email organization. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher.